Hello po sa inyong lahat and welcome back! For today's video, I am going to share with you a bullet journal flip through. Ang video na ito ay perfect for beginners ng bullet journal or for people who are looking for new ideas or inspirations sa pagbu-bullet journal. Disclaimer lang po, hindi ako expert sa bullet journaling, but I fell in love with bullet journaling since 2019. And this is my third bullet journal notebook. So ang ipapakita ko sa inyo ngayon ay ang aking current bullet journal setup, itong August 2021. I usually start with key section so that whenever I use these keys, alam ko kung para saan sila. Next naman ay ang section for the books I've read. Sa tingin ko, I would be able to fill this up until the end of the year na. Gusto ko kasi i-track yung mga libro na nabasa ko so far para din ma-motivate ako to read more books for the next months to come. So dito, ilalagay ko yung title, date I started reading the book, and the date that I finished reading the book. Ito naman ay ang aking savings goal section. If may gusto ako pag-ipunan, dito ko ilalagay. Isusulat ko siya dito. Then dito sa baba, ilalagay ko kung ano yung gusto kong pag-ipunan. For example, let's say, gusto ko ng bagong camera. So kung gusto ko ng bagong camera, ilalagay ko yun dito. Then I will keep shading as I get to save for it. Para sa ngayon kasi, wala pa akong maisip na gusto kong bilhin para pag-ipunan ko. Pero kung ang goal mo ay to save din, let's say for example, 100 pesos a day, then this chart is great for you as well. Next naman ay ang aking birthday calendar. Pinapart ko siya to 2 sections. Ginagamit ko ang green ballpen for family or friends na may birthday, and yung magenta ballpen naman ay para sa work-related people na may birthday. As you can see in this section, I left a big space dahil dito ko ilalagay ang mga main event or yung mga task ko for the day. I also divided it to 2. Sa left ay for work-related events, which I will also use this magenta ballpen. And sa right naman ay yung personal events, like for example, Bible study, voice lesson, etc. So yan, ilalagay ko yan dito. And gagamitin ko ang green ballpen naman para sa section na ito. Ang next naman natin ay ang aking Bible verses for the month. Usually, di ba, meron tayong 4 weeks in a month. So, I divided this to 4 sections this month. And every week, I will choose the main Bible verse that I will carry with me throughout the week na pag-iisipan ko or ipagpaponder ko. So, this is for week 1. Ito naman for week 2, week 3, and week 4 ng August. Maganda rin na mag-memorize ka or makaalala ka ng mga Bible verses or even quotes na motivational so that it will help and inspire you to get through the month. Para naman sa section na ito ay ang aking goals for the month of August. For example, dito, nilagay ko, I should finish a book before the month ends. Nag-iisip pa ako ng ibang goals na gusto ko ilagay dito. So, hindi pa siya buo. Dito naman ay ang aking habit tracker. Maglalagay ako ng check or X na mark kung nagawa ko ba ang daily habits na gusto ko makamit for the month of August. Next up ay ang aking monthly thing. For sure, meron din kayong monthly bills to pay, to clean, and so on. Naisip ko to make this so I can keep track of it and make sure na hindi ko siya makakalimutan. So for me, isusulat ko yung monthly na need kong bayaran, yung monthly na need kong linisin, at yung mga kailangan kong palitan din monthly. Next naman ay ang shopping lists. I made a section for my wish lists or yung needs and wants ko, so that I will avoid impulse buying. I also like to practice delayed gratification. Dahil minsan, madami na pala tayong gamit na similar to the things that we want to buy, to the point na ma-realize natin na hindi pala natin masyado kailangan ito. So this will help me think better kung need ko ba talaga ang bagay na gusto ko or gusto ko lang siya. So in this section, I wrote a legend. NN means not now, meaning wag ko muna siyang bibilhin sa ngayon. Para sa X, it's cancel, meaning hindi ko na siya bibilhin. NP naman means not a priority. So, next time ko na lang siyang bibilhin. Ang last section na ito naman ay ang aking daily tasks and schedule. Sa topmost part, I usually like to write my chosen Bible verse for the day. Maliban pa sa monthly Bible verse, I also like to choose a Bible verse for the day that I can carry with me throughout the day. Gusto ko rin maglagay ng random motivational quotes at times dito sa taas. Sa section naman ito ay ang specific tasks na kailangan kong gawin from morning until night. So kung nakikita nyo, meron siyang time. For this one naman, kung nakailang ml na ako ng tubig, isusulat ko dito to keep track of my daily water intake. Para naman dito, ilalagay ko ang aking nakain ng breakfast, lunch, snack, and dinner for me to see kung mas healthy ba ako kumain today compared sa nakaraang araw. Actually, I don't always do this, pero parang gusto ko talagang i-check right now kung mas healthy ba akong kumakain. For this box, dito ko ilalagay lahat ng tasks ko sa work-related things and also pending tasks sa work. PC naman stands for pending concerns. So I will write down here the things I need to do the next day, the next week, or the next month, but I have and want to remember them, so dito ko sila lahat ilalagay. Para naman sa AWT, it stands for after work tasks. So dito ilalagay ko mga errands ko that I want and have to do for the day. So there you go. This sums up my current bullet journal setup. Para sa mga first-timers sa bullet journaling, I hope naging inspiration ito for you to start your own. Para naman sa mga gumagamit na talaga ng bullet journal, I hope this video gave you more ideas on how to recreate your bullet journal. Actually, I change my bullet journal setup from time to time depending on my need for the month at depende din sa what will work best for me or yung klaseng setup na mas ma-enjoy ko. Sa totoo lang, madaming great bullet journal ideas out there that we can use and try. But let us always focus on what works best for us. Maraming salamat po for taking time to watch this video. I hope you will always be safe and healthy, you and your loved ones. Hanggang sa uulitin, God bless po sa inyong lahat and see you on the next one!